I thought I'd had crushes before. There was Carson, who smiled at me in bio. There was Avery, with the beautiful eyes. But this girl? God, it's like it's not even the same emotion. I really thought I liked the others. I did. I'd blush when they were nearby, sit up straighter, toss my hair, get nervous. But this girl takes butterflies to a whole new level. It's more like 1,000 angry lions are in my stomach, intent on catching their prey, which happens to be right where my heart is. I've turned into a little bit of a stalker, I think. I stare at her Instagram just because I miss her face. God, I'm going crazy. I must be. I barely know her, and yet my soul feels drawn to be near her. Like when the universe was created. My very bones, my cells, my molecules were made into a compass with her as my true north. That sounds crazy, doesn't it? It makes no sense. This isn't me. I don't pine from a distance. I'm 5 feet of bold and in your face. I wear my heart on my sleeve, and I'm proud of it. But then, for some reason, when she smiles, my palms get sweaty, and the stupidest things come out of my mouth. And suddenly I'm telling her things some of my closest friends don't know. And I don't know why, but it's like my mouth decided I can trust her without asking my brain. God, this girl. She's so pretty in every way I never knew I wanted. What's a type? That's bullshit. I thought I knew what I wanted before my eyes decided they only wanted to see her. And suddenly I'm daydreaming, curly hair, and holding her hand. You know you've got it bad when you're daydreaming about holding her hand. And God, the counting the minutes since she last texted me, the days until I see her again, the hours I stay up talking to her instead of sleeping. The numbers are getting ridiculously, comically large. And it's crazy because I'm never like this. I'm used to being in control, knowing how to get what I want. But with this girl, I don't even know how to ask her out. I want to give her candles and flowers and everything she's ever dreamed of, but God, am I terrified of screwing things up. So maybe, someday, I'll make my move. But for now, I'm dealing with keeping a bit of distance when every part of me is screaming to be closer to her. Because I know it's crazy, but for some reason, some part of me feels like she might be the one. So I can't rush into things. I can't mess things up. Not with this girl.